Hello everyone and welcome to my web quest. Code Red, can you handle the truth? I mainly chose this topic after doing the web quest evaluation. I wanted to show a controversial topic where my students would feel challenged about do some research, do some critical thinking, and develop a perspective of what a life situation is that could actually happen to them in the future in case that they were to become military professionals. This website is intended for middle school students and after high school students, focused first on social science classes. The main value of the student is to be able to create a perspective when encountering a dilemma of what is morally wrong and what's morally right in the issue of following orders. So, welcome to my web quest. Let's go through the introduction. And it says that it's a mock trial for a military case that became famous after it was taken to the big screen in 1992, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people have watched that movie. It's called A Few Good Men. And if you haven't watched it, it's highly recommended because it's actually something that is going to guide you through. If you watch it before you start this project, then it's going to be very helpful. So, the movie is just a movie, but the true story is actually in the introduction when you can actually go through after doing some research, the names of the actual people that were part of that trial are being based in here. So, um, you can actually go into the task, and this is mainly what the web quest is about. Are you ready for jury duty? Prepare yourself to decide whether the Marines involved in the murder attempt of a fellow Marine are guilty or not guilty. Did they have to follow orders or rebel against them following their moral duty? You would have to decide whether the moral duty was as a civilian should override the obedience of to follow military orders, or the other way around. So that's gonna be your challenge for you to decide what should a person do in that case. So let's go through the process real quick. So as I said, this is basically the role play. There's some suggested reading for the case, and I'm offering a few clips from the actual movie. This is actually a very good clip that actually shows the setting of a court martial. So, um, So as I said, this is basically the setting, and this for the student to have an idea of what the court martial is like, with the prosecutors, the attorneys that are defending the case, the people that are being asked questions, the juror, and so on. So the instructions for the case are actually really easy because everyone in the class is going to be contributing together. It's a whole team, which is the whole class, and there's going to be a few slight changes to the real case. There's going to be 3 students who are going to be the defendants, 2 attorneys which are going to be defending the 3 people, 3 Marines involved in the murder attempt who actually decided to face court-martial. Then we have um, the Colonel Samuel Adams who gave out the order. Then we have the judge. We have the 2 prosecutors. We have a victim, which is William Alvarado in this case, and in the real case, he's alive. So we also have the jury, which is going to be the rest of the students, but they all will have a chance to be talking about their perspective in the case. So everybody's going to be participating actively. So we also have the internet links where the students can gather information and get some information on what their role play is about. It's not just about who is who, it's also about what a course, court martial is, and the difference between a civil court and a regular civil trial. And so we have the evaluations, which is a set of 5 questions where the students themselves are going to be self-evaluating their character and their role they play in the trial. So we also have a small criteria, which is already here. I already grabbed it here, which is the criteria to evaluate the trial participation, the trial reflections, trial preparation, external ratings reflected, and the final position clear and supported. This question is going to be based on the last answer from the self-evaluation and the trial reflections as well. So they are going to be doing their self-score, and I'm going to be doing, or the teacher in this case who decides to do this as well, it's going to be giving out the score as well. So let's go back to the web quest. So we go to the conclusion. I'm actually showing two different points of view at the beginning of the trial, what the Marines thought the situation was, and then at the end as well, the end of the movie. So together we have gone over one of the most controversial dilemmas military people have to face in their military profession, and I'm actually telling the students to keep in mind that the choices they make in life, whether as military or civil, are going to be affecting their future. So they have to know what's right, and the things that they do, what's important is basically that you know that you're doing the right thing and it's for the right reasons. So that's mainly that. And right here I'm showing my credits, where I gather my information from, and my videos and everything, and I really hope you like it. And I really hope you can actually go through this project and have a lot of fun and learn a lot. Thank you.